All right, y'all. So we got our new set of chickens out here at the property. Emmy's gonna take y'all in there and let y'all see them. They the frying pan special. We got a new setup for them, new waters, new food. Show them in. And we done made a few modifications, y'all. So right soon as you come in, we got their food set up. All right, so right here, we got the food set up. We got the 3-gallon buckets, the 25-gallon feeder. So we don't have to come out here every so often no more. Because the little ones that we had out here, they would get contaminated so fast. But this should hold up a lot better and not contaminate the water so much. Because the cups, the water goes into the cups and then it shuts off. And so there's no backflow into the main water source. We made a few modifications. We put up some tarp on the sides to cut down on the wind. I'm still got to put some more tarp up around the back side and along the other sides. As y'all can see, they're foraging, they're happy, they're healthy. It's about 16 of them, if I'm not mistaken. I believe they're probably over there eating live bugs and stuff. Watch the chickens behind you, y'all. Take this box. So right now we're pretty much done. I don't know why we wasn't recording the whole time. We're kind of slow that way. But I guess we was racing against time because it was kind of late once we got out here. Is the door coming off track?
Yeah, it's like off.
Why? What happened? So that's another repair I gotta make before we leave. Come out here, do some more work part Sunday. Double check on them. As y'all can see, they just running around, loving life. What chickens always do. Now, these chickens better not escape or run away or do crazy stuff in here. It's probably somebody shooting that gun, y'all. Relax. Take the water. Put the top on the water. Why y'all ain't put the top on the water? What happened to the top?
No top. Where's the top?
Did y'all put the top in the boxes?
I don't think
Or take the top off the empty one? Get the water though. You could do that at the car.
Yeah.
Take the water out. Oh my God. Put the door back on, y'all. So as y'all can see, we're pretty much done. We can add some more. They got plenty enough room. They got plenty enough space. Plenty enough food, plenty enough water. All right, we back at the property. I got the kids with me out here today. Y'all see everybody got on jackets. It's Coop. Hey, chickens. Y'all looking good. Food and stuff still got dirty because they probably over there scratching. They look like they scratched up the land good, y'all. Hey, chickens. What y'all doing? Y'all getting nice and big. Even the little brown chicken getting big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, yeah, we still got everybody. All right, so let's take these locks off, and then we're gonna feed the chickens. Look like they out of food. And we're gonna replenish their waters. We'll be right back, okay? All right, so we got their food refilled for right now, and we have this bucket of water refilled. But we gotta come back out here in the next 2 days because I don't know. Better dump that out. I don't know how much water is in there. I guess we can clean the buckets out some because we got a little bit of the water left. Just like tilted, dump that.
The water inside the bucket is...
Huh? There's still water in there, but it's not going to It's not gonna be enough for right now. But other than that, as y'all can see, chicken's getting nice and big. They eating. They got 25 pounds of food. So it looks like 16 of these birds can eat 25 pounds of food in about a week and 2 days. So I gotta order them some more food, and we'll be back out here in a few more days. So everything looks good. My little shed I built to protect their water stuff is still looking good, still looking sturdy. The birds was jumping up on it, so they got somewhere to play on. The rest of the coop still looking good. Don't look like we got no breaches. Nothing climbing in, nothing getting out. Chicken's doing good, y'all. Look, until the next time we come out here and then something done broke into the coop like last time. But I hope we don't have a repeat like last time, though. We shouldn't. It's been roughly almost 10 days. You can go ahead and put that one back for him. Move him out of the way. It's been roughly 10 days. And everybody's been chilling. Other than that, I think I'm gonna come back out here Tuesday to refill their waters, because the water doesn't look like it lasts 10 days. Water didn't last that long. So I gotta come back out here and clean their waters up. Other than that, shoot, chicken's doing good. They living and loving life. They got all of this room. And that's gonna be just about it. We're gonna see y'all on another one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow us on this journey with our own meat. These chickens should be ready probably in another 2 months. Then they probably gonna be ready to, go to freezer camp. That's what we're gonna say. We're gonna take them to freezer camp. But other than that, what you want to say, Keiki?
Like and subscribe. And we have more chickens coming.
Yeah, eventually. We're gonna have some more chickens.
Their whole chicken coop is gonna be filled with chickens.
Yeah, but we're gonna move them off this spot.
Yeah.
Probably slide them down that way some over there. It's like a little gap over there. But other than that, and the chicken's doing good, y'all.
A chicken was just touching the chicken foot.
I know, right? I seen that. Look at them jumping up on top of the water.
Why are they eating the dirt?
And they just kind of like eating around in the dirt.
They're eating the food off the dirt.
Don't lock your scissors.
Oh yeah, I gotta grab the scissors from over there.
Because then they will cut themselves.
No, because you won't be able to get it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll see y'all on the next one. Like, share, and subscribe. Until then, y'all been rolling with the fam.